Hi boys and girls, welcome to lesson 32. Before we begin, I want to make sure that you guys have read the last story from our last lesson, which was 31. So make sure you have read that first on your own before you begin today's lesson. Alright, let's go ahead and begin with our sight words. Here are the two sight words from our last lesson. Ready? Read, like, spell, L-I-K-E. Read, like. Read, have, spell, H-A-V-E. Read, have. Alright, we have a new sight word, the word said. My mom said to come home now. Read, said, spell, S-A-I-D. Read, said. And our other sight word is home. My mom said to come home now. Read, home, spell, H-O-M-E. Read, home. Nice job reviewing sight words and new words. Now we're going to introduce a new sound. This is the new sound for this lesson. And we say for this one, we say P. The sound is P. Patting pizza. The man is patting the pizza dough. So everyone say patting pizza, and then let's make the sound P. Nice job. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do this part of our lesson. And it looks like I accidentally erased the lines, so let me put them back. Alright, let's listen to instructions. I'm going to say the sounds and you blend. Ready? Lot. Blend. Lot. Let. Blend. Let. Lap. Blend. Lap. Luck. Blend. Luck. Ill. Blend, fill. Nice job. Alright, now I'm going to ask you to say the word and then sound it out. Say wet. Wet. Sound wet. W, e, t. Say well. Well. Sound well. W, l. Say wig. Wig. Sound wig. W-ig. Say wag. Wag. Sound wag. W-ag. Say win. Win. Sound win. W-in. Very good. Alright, now we are going to practice reading some words. So we're going to sound them out first, and then we will read them together. Ready? Sound, please. Nap. Blend, nap. Sound. P. Up. Blend, pop. Sound. Fall. Blend, fall. Sound. P. In. Blend, pin. Sound k, app, blend, cap. Sound k, apps, blend, caps. Sound st, icks, blend, sticks. Nice job. Okay, moving on. We're going to do story 32. So remember, you guys find story 32 here, and I'm going to use my small book. All right, it looks like this story is going to be about what? Backpacks. That is the title, Backpacks. Turn the page. Anne has a backpack. Sam has a backpack. Riff has a little pack. See, there's his pack. He runs and runs. Sam has a map in his pack. A pin is in the map. So there's the pin right there on the map. The pin sticks in Sam's hand. And gets the pin. Sam rubs his hand. He puts the pin in a can. The sun is up. It gets hot. Sam and Anne put on caps. Anne sees a rabbit. The rabbit naps by a rock. There's the rabbit up there. Riff runs to get the rabbit, but it can hop fast. Nice job and nice story. All right, boys and girls, it's time to start our writing portion. So make sure you take out your paper and write your name. This is my daughter's name, and 32 because we're on lesson 32. And make sure you pause the video if I'm going too fast. All right, we're going to do the first word, and remember, I'm not going to write it for you anymore. So let's do this. Say cup. Cup. Sound cup. K. Up. What was the first sound? K. Write the sound. Say cup. Cup. Sound cup. K. Up. What was the second sound? Write it down. Say cup. Cup. Sound cup. K. Up. What was that last sound? P. That was our new sound, right? Write it down. All right, number 2. Say pack. Pack. Sound pack. P. Ack. What was the first sound? P. Say pack. Pack. Sound pack. P. Ack. What was the second sound? Ah. Say pack. Pack. Sound pack. P. Ack. What was the last sound? K. Very good. Write it down. So here you should have cup. Here you should have pack. All right. Now we're going to write our sentence. Don't forget that a sentence begins with a certain something and it ends with a certain something. All right, don't forget. Here is your sentence. They had pets. They had pets. What was the first sound? What was the first word? They. Write it down. Let's say the sentence again. They had pets. What was the second word? Had. Write the second word. And let's say it one last time. They had pets. What was the last word? Pets. Write that down. All right, remember to keep your paper because maybe your teacher will ask for it. All right, and make sure you wrote 32. Thank you for joining me.